In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Google Maps in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until the best match should appear in this kind of window. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. So from here, please navigate to the window search bar here and type for Google space Maps. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result, or you can simply proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see this kind of window, icon. Click on it. Okay, icon, sorry for that. And from here you can locate for maps, or you can simply proceed with the first result, which is Google Maps. So tap on it, and eventually you would be redirected to the Google Maps. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of the screen again and click on the three dots. Scroll down and locate your cursor to cast, save, then share, and go with install page as application. So tap on it, and it will ask you to confirm your action. Go with install. And in that way, kindly wait until a new window would appear here, which is the Google Maps, meaning we have successfully installed it. So you can now close the window as well as this browser, and there you can see that the Google Maps has been created as shortcut for desktop as well. And look it at a button search bar and type for maps. You can see that it would be appearing at the best matched as an application. Okay, here. Okay, so if you would like to pin it to taskbar, you can simply click on yes, or you can simply decline it by clicking on no thanks. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.